everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is about how to find the LCD by prime and continuous division. So, pag-find ng prime and continuous division, so the denominator, copy mo na, then 21. So, yung prime, yung lowest prime dito ngayon ay 3. Lalagay natin dito. Then, i-divide. Dito muna. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. Now, prime, prime, prime. So, lahat na prime. So, i-multiply natin ngayon. The LCD is equals to 3 times 7. Equals 21. Our LCD now is 21. Okay, next, number 2. We have denominator 16, 3, 4, then continuous division, and we're looking for prime. Ang prime dito ngayon ay, ang lowest natin makukuha ay 2. The lowest prime. And 16 divided by 2, 8. 3 divided by 2 cannot be, may remainder, so just bring down. Then 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Then, find again the prime. The prime na pwede ngayon, lowest ay 2. So, 2 pa rin dito. 8 divided by 2, divide natin, magiging 4. 3, hindi pwede makadivide kasi may remainder. So, just bring down. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay. Meron pang isa. Meron pang prime dito. 2 is the lowest prime. Then, 4 divided by 2. 2. Prime. Copy na lang. Then, 1. Yung hindi na madidivide, just bring down. So, ang prime natin ngayon ay na magiging LCD dito ngayon is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 3, 48. So our LCD is 48 now. That's the end of our competition. Hoping that you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.